This is the room where my wife and I spend most of our chill time watching shows, movies, or gaming. If you guys are interested in anything in the video, affiliate links are in the description below. Starting things off with the seating area, we chose this modular cloud-style couch because we wanted something super comfortable and cozy for the space. We grabbed this from a place nearby called Bob's Furniture, and it's way cheaper than the cloud couch you've seen in restoration hardware. This couch is super comfortable, almost too much. I'll usually come in, grab a controller of my choice, lay back, and relax. It's also one of our cat's favorite spots to hang out and play in. The ottoman it came with can also be used to extend the size of the couch. But we mostly keep it as an ottoman so we can place our controllers, remotes, and as a catch-all thanks to this large square tray we got from Amazon. The large size of the tray makes it super stable and the perfect place to set down our coffees in the morning as we prepare for the day. Right next to the sectional, we have an end table that holds the accessories we use the most in this space, which are my wife's iPad Air, my 12.9-inch iPad Pro, our Switch Pro controllers, and our PS5 controllers with a dual charger. We also have various charging cables that go up to the table and also a couple of cables running through to the couch. That way we can easily charge our phones, and even charge our laptops if we decide to bring them into the living room. Now, onto the main focal point of the room. This tall, sharp-angled wall with a fireplace in the corner presented us with a unique challenge during our renovations because I knew that was the wall where I wanted to place the TV to avoid the glare from the windows. I designed a horizontal slat wall that would wrap around the corner, and since my dad is a master contractor, he figured out how to turn it into a reality as usual. Since wood was quite costly at the time, we decided to use MDF boards instead. We chose this gray paint color to match the cabinets we have in our walnut and gray themed kitchen. I wanted it to naturally flow from one space to the other and look like the wall was going through the house. The other challenge we had was how asymmetrical the wall was. So we played off of that idea and accentuated the fact that it was asymmetrical by not having a typical entertainment center. Instead, we got these cool mid-century tables for the corner from Amazon. Here's where we placed our Nintendo Switch and PlayStation 5 for our gaming and streaming needs. Currently, my wife and I are on our second co-op playthrough of Baldur's Gate 3. Don't look at how many hours we've logged so far. And if my wife is watching a show I'm not really into, I'll just grab my PlayStation Portal and keep on rocking through my backlog. Under the table we have a couple of power outlets for the consoles, and we routed the HDMI cables through the wall to get to the TV. But before we get to the TV, I want to show you something that's kind of a game changer when it comes to your personal comfort and even your health. This is FlexiSpot's all-in-one adjustable bed frame, and as you may have noticed if you've seen a lot of my videos, I've worked with them plenty of times before, and this is no different, as they are the sponsor of this video. They're well known for their ergonomic standing desks and office chairs, but this right here, this might be my new favorite FlexiSpot product. First off, let's talk design. This is a sleek, all-in-one frame, meaning you don't need a separate adjustable base or extra hardware. Everything is integrated into this clean, minimalist unit, so it fits nicely in any modern or traditional bedroom, without looking too bulky or out of place. The frame I have right here is for queen-size mattresses. The upholstered panels add a premium touch, especially the flanged edge headboard, which looks and feels high-end. The single lift motor is surprisingly strong and smooth. It can hold up to 600 pounds, which speaks to how durable this steel frame really is. Plus, you get a 5-year warranty on the motor and 10 years on the frame, so it's not just comfortable, but also built to last. With the wired remote, I can raise the head up to 60 degrees and the legs up to 35 degrees, making it easy to get the perfect angle for watching TV, gaming, or even working from your bed. I've personally been using it for some portable gaming at night with my PlayStation Portal, letting me work my way through my backlog in a super comfortable way, since it basically turns your bed into a lazy boy recliner. Now, I personally suffer from a little bit of snoring and acid reflux as well, and if you do too, You know elevating your head can make a huge difference when sleeping. That's why I think products like these are a worthwhile investment into your health and overall comfort. So whether you're upgrading your bed for gaming, comfort, health, or all three, the FlexiSpot all-in-one adjustable bed frame is a solid investment. It's sleek, functional, and incredibly relaxing. Big thanks to FlexiSpot for sponsoring this part of the video. You'll find a link in the description below if you want to grab one for yourself.
The centerpiece and heart of the wall is the sleek and sexy LG 65-inch OLED C9 4K Smart ThinQ TV. I purchased this back in 2020, and if you don't know how amazing this makes everything look with its deep blacks and HDR10 capabilities, do yourself a favor and get yourself one ASAP. OLED is the way to go. A standout feature is that it comes with HDMI 2.1 ports, so you can even game up to 4K at 120 Hz. The only con with OLED TVs is how reflective they are in bright environments. But it's not an issue for us as we don't look at it from any extreme angles, and we tend to use it mostly in the evening. This TV is mounted on a USX full motion TV wall mount so that I can easily pull it out and have access to everything. Under the TV, I'm rocking a mounted JBL 9.1 True Wireless Surround Dolby Atmos soundbar. It's got a sleek design and comes with a wireless subwoofer as well. But the coolest part is being able to magnetically remove the end speakers of the soundbar itself and place them on the sides of where you're sitting for full surround sound. They offer up to 10 hours of battery life, and you just put them back on the soundbar to charge them. Installed on the TV is the Govee Invisual T2. This really enhances the immersion with its smart ambient backlight by matching the colors on the screen and really brings everything to a whole new level. This is possible with the dual cameras that you attach to the top of your TV, which might take a little bit of time to get used to, but you quickly forget it's there. And at night is when this entire setup really comes together. This is where the TV and soundbar alone really comes to life with its amazing picture quality and fully wireless surround sound. But turning on the Govee T2 TV backlight is when the show really starts. You see, we also have Govee LED lights throughout the house to enhance the atmosphere at night, and you can sync the T2 TV backlight to all of them. This has made for some truly epic and immersive movie and gaming experiences for me. So much so that I'm looking to add even more Govee lights to keep upping the immersion in my setup. So what do you guys think? Are there things that you would have done differently or next upgrades you recommend? Let me know in the comments below. I'm thinking a different sound system entirely and possibly a larger OLED TV in the future, as well as some plans to give the space a little bit more life. I hope this video gave you inspiration for your own setups, and if you like these kinds of videos, please give me a like, subscribe, and stay tuned.